Welcome to Starbot, a trading platform that allows you to easily, safely, and quickly trade tokens on Ethereum right from your Telegram app. To get started, make sure you have the Telegram app installed and create a simple account. Then, open up or search for Starbot Pro Bot in Telegram. Finally, press start. Starbot will then create a wallet just for you. Make sure to save your private key and mnemonic phrase and keep these somewhere safe. Ethereum, or ETH, is the currency of DeFi, so the only way to trade on Starbot is to deposit or transfer over some ETH. This is easy to do from your Coinbase wallet or MetaMask or Trust wallet. You can find your wallet address in Starbot under the Manage Wallets button. Just tap the wallet address and it copies it. Next, go back to your Coinbase account or wherever else you have ETH, press transfer or withdrawal, and then paste your Starbot wallet address and hit send. Easy. Now that you have some ETH or ETH in your Starbot, you can play around with the buttons and see what Portfolio and Trade Monitor do. If you want to trade, it's easy. You just press the Buy Star button to invest in the Starbot token. The Star token gets you incredible rewards that you can claim directly from Starbot. You can also paste a contract address in the prompt and press send to open up the options to buy or sell any ERC20 token. Next, check your portfolio and voila. There you have it. We will be holding competitions where you can win real ETH from both the demo and the live bot. And if you want to use play money at first, try the demo bot that you can access from our website starbot.pro. Don't forget to sign up for your own referral link to enjoy up to 50% referral commission. Lastly, join us on Telegram and X by searching Starbot Pro. Starbot, become an all-star trader.